State asida santi hanjilaktriba makai miyam gi rights sing protect tawba ngamloi conflict ta leiriba community ani gi miyoi singna wari sanaba hoduna warushin purak pachangi haina Manipur Human Rights Commission gi chairman Justice UB Shah na phongdokrai wafam asi palace compound da Manipur Human Rights Commission gi office da paumi singa unaba manda justice asina phongdokhibani Justice Shah na makha taraduna state asida thokliba irang asiga mari leinana commission asigi chairperson ama oina towan ba relief camp sing da chatuna yengsilure ngasisu kangpupi mandav relief camp amadi ITI relief camp ta chatuna IDP singa wari sanarure camp ani asida lenga ki meeting makada district administration apiriba mateng da apien bo oiri mahaki maikidagi IDP sing aduda lamdam asida santi hanjinaba wari sanaba changi haiba wafam thamlamki haina phongdokhi ngasigi khongchad aduga mari leinana kangpopi police station amadi saparmaina police station da surprise visit amasu tawki hairaduna station sing asida matam khayadagi namsinduna leramba case kaya thengnarakhi pending case lairiba si concern osina ningthina mathau tawdabagini mahaki maikidagi case sing asi athubada loishina bahon hairam ki hairi Manipur gi DGP nasu state asigi towan ba police station da leiriba pending case sing asi athubada loishina ba yengsinbiu hairaduna investigation thengthaba haibasi justice p dabaga pangkhakni haina phongdokhi
We want to make an appeal to the people of Manipur that for protection of their human rights, particularly right to get justice, right to life, right to shelter, right to health, right to education, and right relating to various government schemes. Peace is the paramount consideration. Unless peace is there, no authority can properly function, including the Human Rights Commission. And you see the situation that in this Human Rights Commission, almost all the staffs, they belong to a particular community. And none of them are in a position to go in a place where a different community is there. As a result, I have to take my responsibility as a Human Rights Commission chairman so that right of the people belongs to all the communities in Manipur can be protected, and for which I went there.